Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you add a tattoo to somebody. Okay, first off, what we want to do is duplicate this layer. Control J, come up to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, blur around 8 pixels, hit OK. Come up to file, save as, just name it Displace Map. Keep it as the PSD file. Save it to the desktop just for convenience. Click OK. Now what you want to do is delete layer 1, the blurred layer. So then we come back to the original. Right, now what you want to do is look for your tattoos. See what we got here. Should we do a sleeve? No, let's do this. Right, what you want to do is Control A. So you select it all, and Control C. Come back to your picture. Control V it so it comes back in. Then what you want to do is convert it to a smart object. I'm going to put it on multiply just so, well, that would have been easier. Control T. Let's just resize this because it is pretty big. Put it where you want it. Let's say there. Let's say there. There you are, you're done. No, you're not. Right, then what you want to do is come up to filter, distort, displace, keep the settings at 10 and 10, stretch to fit, and repeat edge pixels. Find your displace you've just saved, click OK, and that now looks like it's starting to wrap around, as you can see. I'll just change the opacity a little bit. Yeah, about sort of 90. Or you can try linear. I think I like the look of the multiply. Then what you want to do is turn off the tattoo and click on the background layer. Click on your quick selection and just select the arm. Doesn't matter that I've gone a bit over. Then come back up to your tattoo, turn it back on, and hit the layer mask. Yeah, as you can see, that looks like it's actually going over the shoulder. I'll do it once more. Right, let's pick another tattoo, file, open. Right, let's do a colour one. I do one of these little butterflies, not this whole fairy. So you want to Control C after you made your selection. Come back to this layer, then Control V. Ooh. But before I do anything, convert to smart object. Control T. If you press the Shift and Alt, that will drag it inwards from the center. I'll zoom in a bit. Oops. I don't know, let's put it somewhere like, let's just change the blender mode. Just put it, say, sort of, yeah, that'll look okay, just for the purpose of the video. Right, then what we do is come up to your filter, displace, keep the settings the same, find the file, and there it is. As you can see, it looked. Then what you want to do is turn off the layer, come down to the background, pick your quick selection. Too much, let's just zoom in a bit more. Let's take some of it away. The layer mask. Going back to this layer here with the tattoo of the evil, I don't know what she's meant to be, some sort of demon and half naked woman. As we're on the layer mask of it, hit your paintbrush tool. The fuzzy, and just sort of I'll add one more little one to her hand. Just open. Let's try one of these things, whatever they are. I don't know what they are. Do the one with the diamond. Control C, come back into your photo, Control V. Convert to smart, Control T to resize. Let's zoom in. Hit OK. Change the blend mode. Alright, then we go to filter, displace, come down. Don't really need to add a layer mask, but I will just for the sake of the video. Get rid of that. And that's how you add tattoos, and just save it and you are done. Alright guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. Cheers. Bye for now.